If you're a demanding manufacturer looking for a high-precision 5-axis CNC router that operates at the highest speeds in perfectly synchronized interpolation, then welcome to the Andy Maxxis Processing Center. The Andy Maxxis is a 5-axis super machine with a highly modular design, easily customized to meet operating requirements. Whether your work is light or extremely heavy duty, Andy has a center that perfectly meets your needs. The bridge-type construction of the Maxxis enables excellent precision at high speeds, and the overall proven design ensures that the cutting forces are evenly distributed throughout the frame. From the ground up, the Maxxis is truly a winner. The reinforced welded high-grade steel base is stress-relieved and heat-treated. With an innovative construction that achieves a highly static yet dynamic foundation for ultra-precise operations. This machine is equipped with a single moving table, but electronically lockable twin configurations are also available for more diverse processing options. Your choice of tabletop material ranges from the most cutting-edge honeycombed layered aluminium for heavy high-speed work to aluminium or phenolic surfaces for less intense machining. Anderson brings all their clamping and fixturing know-how to the Maxxis. Several clamping jigs can be connected to the side-mounted clamping channel, and your quality vacuum pump is chosen from a wide variety according to needs. Anderson offers innovative and flexible fixturing technology which simplifies parts positioning and optimizes machine setup times. Andy uses the latest generation of drives and positioning systems on this router. As this machine is fitted for light-duty trimming applications, pre-stressed linear guideways with recirculating precision class ball bearings are installed, offering excellent work performance and longevity. The Z-axis is positioned via a backlash-free transmission and ball screw, while the X and Y axes feature backlash-reduced gears on rack and pinion drive systems. This system provides positioning speeds up to 100 meters per minute while achieving an accuracy of 0.15 millimeters during interpolated cutting. A heavy-duty 11 horsepower Andy routing spindle works together with the drives and positioning systems in a perfected high-speed cutting solution that brings considerable advantages. For one, an optimum surface finish can be achieved without additional finishing required, saving time and reducing material costs. And here are some of the many other benefits Andy high-speed cutting brings. The unique 5-axis head on the Maxxis is capable of achieving every angle, adding to the speed, efficiency, and accuracy of the machine. By limiting the length of rotating center to tooltip, the spindle rapidly reaches all areas of your table, and all rotating axes are driven by a highly static backlash-free gearbox for ultimate positioning precision. Operations are carried out through a choice of top-of-the-line controllers with Teach-In software installed in an optional handheld device for trimming functions. With its cutting-edge design, power and speed, the Maxxis easily handles a wide range of materials and applications. (3D mold making, trimming, auto and aerospace parts manufacture, furniture production and extrusion fabrications are all easily executed, while target materials include thermoplastics, fiberplastics, composites and aluminium, among many others. To create the products the market calls for today, the demands on manufacturers are rigorous and stringent. Yet we have just learned that the solution is simple. The high speed and the 5-axis Maxxis.